Hello and welcome back to Excel Academy's YouTube channel. We are presenting the current affairs for 8th June 2020. Now you all know that for the last 1 week we were having free live sessions and our classes for CSEET July exam is going to begin from 10th of June, and if you are yet to register yourself, you can contact the Academy office and register yourself and start attending the CSEET live sessions from 10th of June 2020. Right, so the first news bit for the day comes from Uday Kotak. He is the new CII chief, and like all of you are aware, this news was first discussed by us last Saturday, and it's very important for us to remember this. Now he is advising the India INC that they should not fuss to dilute their ownership in the companies, and they should accumulate more capital and make sure that their companies are on track. Anyway, what is important for us here to know what could be the question is Uday Kotak is the new CII chief. Very important. CII stands for Confederation of Indian Industries. This can be a question in the upcoming CSEET current affairs examination. The second news bit is very interesting. Now this talks about the Chinese trade, and what we see here is exports of China has fell by 3.3% and imports has plunged by 16.7%. So import has reduced by 16.7% and export has reduced by 3.3%, but still there is a surge in the medical exports. So that is what is keeping China's economy still an export oriented economy. Remember this, China is an export oriented economy. They import less and they export more. Right, so this is another company. They are a startup. It is a agri based startup. The name of the company is Fraazo, Fraazo. This is the name of the company, and they are telling that they supply fresh fruits and vegetables, and their startup is doing well although there is ongoing pandemic. The co-founder of Fraazo is Atul Kumar. So this is something to be remembered by us. This qualifies under the startups which are doing extremely well during pandemic. Now this is a very delightful news which comes from New Zealand, and New Zealand is the first country to declare that it is corona free, and the Prime Minister of the country told that she did a little dance when she came to know that there are no active corona cases throughout New Zealand. So this might just be the beginning of the end of the pandemic. Let's hope so, and all the economic activities are back on track and we do extremely well in the days to come. Right, so Environment Day pledge, it comes from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now what is important for us to remember here is the date. 5th of June is considered as the International Environmental Day. Please remember, this date can be asked in the examination. Which of these days is celebrated as the International Environmental Day? And the answer is 5th June every year. Please remember this, very important. This can be a question. Now Paytm Mall has a new COO and a new address. So who is the new COO? It is Abhishek Rajan. He is the new COO. That's important. That can be a question for us. And what's more important here is Paytm Mall has shifted its office to Bengaluru, which is very important. Paytm Mall is also moving its operations from Noida to Bengaluru and has plans to hire 300 new members. So this is important. This can also be a question. Where did Paytm Mall shift their new office address to? They have shifted it to Bengaluru, and the new COO is Abhishek Rajan. So this was some of the news updates for the day. For the updates on current affairs and to prepare well for your upcoming CSEET paper 4 examination, keep watching our channel. Subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, and every day 7 p.m. we update the current affairs update. Make sure that you are updated and do well in the current affairs exam. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.